Hi there, folks. John from the Terry Invert Farm. So I'll give you guys a look at all the sawdust I just got. Primo sawdust. All hardwood. And I'm going to turn it into this. That's some beautiful flake soil right there. That is top shelf flake soil. Yeah. This stuff's really nicely aged. Starts off as this. Tremendous. Some walnut and oak and what else did he say was in there? Some hickory. Beautiful. Maybe a little bit of maple. I don't think there's much, but yeah, turn that on into premium flake soil. So very excited. Big plans, big plans. So yeah, just thought I'd show you guys sweet haul I got. That's all. That's all for now. Bye bye.